Welcome to this Chromebook Cam screencast. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to get around a little bit on your Chromebook. So let me minimize my Chrome browser. Down in the bottom left corner, there's a search button, this little magnifying glass. You'll also see that same icon as a key on your keyboard. It's over where the caps lock normally is on the keyboard. Whether you click this or press that key on the keyboard, this opens up a search. So if you wanted to search the web, if you were connected to the internet, if you wanted to search for something on your Chromebook, this is where you can do a quick search. You'll also see below the search bar, these are some of the apps that are on your Chromebook, as well as over here, there's the All Apps. If you want to see all the apps that are available on your Chromebook, click on All Apps, and you'll see all of the various apps that you have access to. You can put some of these apps down here next to the search. This is called the shelf. So as an example, Google Drive is one that you will probably use quite a bit. So it might be a good idea to click and hold on that from the All Apps area and drag and drop it down here on the shelf. That app is still available in this apps area. You're just basically adding a little shortcut down here on the shelf. So things like the Chrome browser, Google Drive, Gmail, those might be good to have down here. As well as I'm going to suggest that you also add the Files app. It's a blue circle with a folder in it. Put that down on your shelf as well. I'll show you what that does here in a little bit. You can group up apps. So if you have some apps that you want to kind of put together, you can simply click and hold on an app and drag and drop it onto another one. If you click into that, this treats it like a folder, kind of like you'd probably cluster apps together on a smartphone or an iPad or an iPod. You can give this a name. So if this was, these are my Gmail apps, then I can see that that's grouped together as a cluster. Or maybe I put my Google Drive file types together and, I put slides and drawings and sheets and all that together in one place. So that's the lower left area. Lower right area, if you have any notifications, you'll see a number, this number 1 right here. If I click on that, I'm using a recording app right now. So this is a notification from the app when I was using it a little while ago. So if you see that might be good to check out, see if you have any notifications. If you click anywhere on this bar, there's, you can see the current time. You can see that you're connected to Wi-Fi. You can see your battery icon showing how much of a charge you have. The US means I'm currently using a United States keyboard. Some of your world language teachers might show you how to install another type of keyboard for writing in a different language. And you'll also see a user picture that you chose when you first set up your Chromebook. When you click on anywhere on this opens up a menu with some more choices. You can control your audio here. This also says I currently have a headset plugged in using the headphone jack. This is where I can choose what Wi-Fi I'm connected to. When you're at school, you should always be connected to the FPS Mac network. Do not will have issues if you try to use to stay on the Mac. If you go into the settings here, there's also some more fine-tuned settings you can tweak for your Chromebook. One of them is under appearance is set wallpaper. You can pick from some of the pre-chosen wallpaper. These menus, you'll see some different picture you've taken. You could upload a picture to set that as your wallpaper. You can also, with the touchpad settings, if pad is a little too sensitive, you can click on that and you can change the way scrolling works. You can also adjust any of the trackpad other settings that you need to. If you want to set your user picture, you can click down here. This is just the user picture that's just on your Chromebook. It's just in this bottom corner. You can pick from what they have here or use your camera to take a picture of yourself if you'd like to put that in there as well. So that's a little bit with how to get around on your Chromebook. We'll show you some other help with some of the other specific apps and some other videos. Thanks for watching.